Hello बच्चों, let us look into the question. The question is, which among the following process occur during charging or during the amino acylation of tRNA? So the key concept that we will be discussing is the translation. Whenever we talk about translation, now this amino acid, multiple amino acid forms the polypeptide chain, and the bond present between them is peptide bond. So whenever we talk about the translation process, what happens? Suppose this is a mRNA having the polarity 5' to 3', and this is the ribosome, and there is site A, P, E. Now what happens that the tRNA attaches over here, and suppose this has a T size C loop and this has a D loop along with a variable arm. This has 3' OH, a longer arm, and 5' phosphate. Now what we see that there is anticodon over here and codon over the P site. Now once the amino acid gets added over here, after that amino acylation takes place and the joining of more amino acid takes place here. But before the joining of amino acid, what happens that the activation, or you can say charging of amino acid, is carried out by the process of activation of amino acid. अमाइनो एसिड का एक्टिवेशन होता है, इसमें एटीपी से इसको रिएक्ट करा के इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एटीपी इट इज एक्टिवेटेड, और ये एक्टिवेटेड अमाइनो एसिड इज joined over this 3' OH end. This is A. Now it will be forming a polypeptide chain in the similar fashion in this overall setup. So we can say that which statement is correct. तो पहले स्टेटमेंट दिया गया है एक्टिवेशन ऑफ अमाइनो एसिड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एटीपी, विच वी सॉ इट इज अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. यहाँ पे अमाइनो एसिड को लगाने से पहले, ज्वाइन करने से पहले, व्हाट वी सी कि पहले अमाइनो एसिड की एक्टिवेशन कराई जाती है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एटीपी. सो दिस इज अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. उसके बाद हम देखते हैं लिंकिंग ऑफ अमाइनो एसिड टू देयर कॉग्नेट टीआरएनए. ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि यहाँ पे अमाइनो एसिड किसी दूसरे चेन में, हर बार किसी दूसरे चेन में ना ऐड होके, बल्कि इट इज गेटिंग एडेड टू द सेम कॉग्नेट टीआरएनए. ओके, सपोज over here some codon is present and UUU. So the amino acid that will be added over here, it will be cognate to this amino, to this codon. It will be this A1 will be representing, amino acid 1 will be representing phenylalanine. So it means that linking of amino acid to their cognate tRNA is a true statement. So we can say that both A and B statements are correct. Coming to the conclusion that option C is correct. Hope you all understood. All the best.